You see this? This are the consequences for drinking and driving, for thinking you invisible, for thinking, oh, I got money, my problems is fixed. No, this is not my money. I gotta turn this money in. On top of that, I'm a single father. I have spent close to $5,000 on top of that. All this money right here is not mine no more.
Tell me if you want me to give you all my time. I wanna make it good for you. 'Cause you blow my mind. I promise, girl, that I'll be true. You're the perfect find. So tell me if you want me to. Yeah.
All right, what's good? So this not normally how we usually make our videos, but I want to start off this video with some very valuable information that you might need later in life. And I'm trying to build up my talking history with y'all, man, because I usually just show y'all my workouts and let other people speak their life and show you the struggles and how hard it is to succeed. So a lot of people don't know this, but I recently had a DUI charge. I got a DUI 6 months ago for drinking and driving under the influence. I wrecked my car, totaled my car actually. How it happened, working 2 jobs. For y'all that don't know, I've been hungry for a while sometimes. Me being hungry means I gotta do things that I don't wanna do. I was working 2 jobs. The night before I got the DUI, I had fell asleep at the railroad track twice. So I probably shouldn't have went out that next night, knowing that my body is tired, knowing that I need rest. But me pushing so hard for success, for a better life for myself and my daughter, and y'all know I got this dream of helping kids around the world. I can't do that if I'm at home playing video games, out chasing girls, out smoking and drinking, and just doing reckless stuff, spending my money, buying clothes, buying all this jewelry, buying cars. I can't do what my heart is inspired to do if I'm not grinding. The world we live in, man, you gotta grind. The world is crazy. Whatever you want in life, it requires sacrifices and major sacrifices. I miss a lot of hanging out with friends. I miss a lot of hanging out with girls. For y'all that know, man, y'all know I don't do relationships anymore. I do. I'm dating, so I date 3 females. They never get to see me. They probably see me once a week. And I know you probably ask yourself, why would, you even be messing with them if you can't see them? It's just a simple fact. When I do have some time and I want to be around a female, that's what I do. But to stay on top of it, tomorrow I go to court for my DUI. Today is November 18th, so by the time this video come out, I probably already went to court and settled everything. There are consequences behind your actions. Every action have a reaction, whether it's positive or negative. Me falling asleep those 2 previous nights, I should have never chose to go out that 3rd night. But I told myself, and this is where we all make these mistakes. We think we need to reward ourselves with something like going out, partying, because we working hard, because we grinding. But grinding never stop. Working hard never stop. You have to keep pushing. Just because you feel like you grinding don't mean you can take a day off. It don't work like that. Success don't comes like that. So me working so hard at 2 jobs, 27 years old, I feel like I'm doing great at this moment. And I'm like, man, I deserve a night out. Yeah, I probably go home and just get in the bed and play around, hang out with my daughter. But man, tonight I'm gonna go out. Knowing that I just fell asleep at the railroad track twice, 2 nights in a row. I'm asleep, people behind me blowing. So this how it is. When I would go to my first job from 7 in the morning until 5, I think. And then I go to my second job from 5:30 until I think 9:30 or 10. It was something like that. So I would get off one job, and my second job was right down the road. Like, I can walk there, you know. And, you know, like I said, man, I didn't have to take that second job. I had made it to where I can get on with my first job permanently, you know. Like, it's great money. I didn't need the second job. But just starting off, I'm like, man, I'm so hungry. I'm doing good. I'm working 2 jobs, man. I'm finna help kids around the world. I'm finna put my daughter and myself in better shoes. I'm finna get this place. You know, I already had a place. Like, so I'm just like, man, we doing good, man. I'm doing good. I'm hungry. So I said, you know what? I'm going out. I don't care if I've been working, going to sleep on the road. You know, I'm going out tonight, man. I deserve this. I'm grinding. I'm hustling. I'm getting it. And no, that was a bad decision. I went out, had a couple fruity drinks. Y'all know I don't drink hard liquor. I only drink the fruity drinks, wine and stuff like that. That's my thing. You know, a lot of people, I don't drink beer. I really don't drink. And that's the crazy thing. Like, I drink every other weekend. Like, I'm so much in the gym that I feel like I just gotta have either water or protein. I don't really need no alcohol. Sometimes when I go out to eat, I might have a fruity drink or some wine. Other than that, I don't drink. I don't smoke. Y'all know that. So, me falling asleep should have never thought that I should reward myself by going out. You know, that late at night. I already done worked my first job. Now I'm going to my second job. Now it's about 10 o'clock. So I got to go home and get fresh. Y'all know how I do it, man. I'm not stepping out unless I'm the freshest thing out there. When I go somewhere, I need everybody's eyes on me. Not because I want the attention, but just because I know I'm looking good, I'm feeling good, I'm fresh, I'm smelling good, my money right, my head on right, I'm grinding, my aura is glowing. You feel me? How is glowing? Because I'm doing good in life. I'm on the right path. So I should have kept it at just enjoy yourself, grind, go home, man. Go skating. You know, that's what I've been doing. When I work late, me and my daughter, we go skating. Yeah, I'll be tired, but we go right back home. That night, I decided to go out, have a couple drinks, and then I said, I'm going to hit the casino. Now, why is you grinding so hard? You going to go out, have a couple drinks, then on top of that, you finna go to the casino. You done just did, what, 8 hours. Now, 8 hours at your first job. 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours at your second job. Man, you tired. You just fell asleep at the railroad track twice, back to back. People blowing to, bruh, you sleep. Go home and rest. I chose to reward myself by going out, and I paid for that. Nobody till this day know that I totaled my car, had a serious accident. Nobody know. Other than my parents and the people I work with, because they hadn't know. My friends don't know that I totaled my car. The guys that I, used to be with all the time, they don't know that I totaled my car. None of the girls that I mess with know I totaled my car. Nobody know what happened, because I said, you know what? I made a reckless decision. What I'm going to do about this? I changed my actions overnight. Overnight, I knew that because I'm grinding so hard, I just can't. And you know what? It was just crazy because I totaled my car, fell asleep. This happened. Like, I fell asleep, drove off the road into a ditch, totaled the car, called a wrecker. Like, what's so crazy? I called a wrecker to come get my car right. There's nobody out there on the road. I'm headed to the casino. The casino is like an hour away from me. You don't work. It's about 13 hours. Now you decide you want to go out and have a couple fruity drinks. You tired. You going to the casino. The casino is an hour away. Bro, you tired. What are you doing going to the casino? But me being silly, me thinking that I need to reward myself with drinks and fun and going to lose money, I end up totaling my car. So when that happened, like I said, I called a wrecker, not thinking that a police about to show up. I'm thinking yeah, oh, I got money, you know. I'm doing good now. I'm grinding. I got 2 jobs. One of my jobs paid very well. The other one, just a little extra pocket change. I'm like, I'm good. I'm just going to get this fixed. It wasn't like that. What I thought was just a minor incident turned out to hurt me for 6 months. What I thought was so simple affected me for 6 months. And right now, it's still affecting me. Well, we can say 7 months. I call the wrecker. He come to get my car. He said, okay. I don't have no bruises. I'm sore. I have like a little scratches. Other than that, I was able to get out and walk around like, wow. Like I was tipsy and I was tired. I wasn't drunk, in my opinion, but I blew over. So y'all know how that go. If you blew over, man, you consider being drunk. I think I was just so tired from grinding so hard, wanting something so hard. Like y'all don't understand. I wanna be so successful. Successful for me, it's not money, and that's what we have to understand. Success and being successful can mean different things for different people. Success for me is helping kids around the world, helping people, giving back. Yeah, a lot of people look at me and like, oh, I'm so cocky, I'm so this and that. But they have no idea. I work hard to be cocky. I work so hard to be so confident in myself. I grind hard for what I have. I go to the gym 7 days a week. I work 7 days a week. My daughter lives with me. The only time my daughter don't live with me when I gotta stay like a little late at work. Well, she live with me, but the only time she not at home with me is when I'm staying a little late at work, or it's the weekend. Monday through Friday, she live with me. Saturday, Sunday, I let her go hang out with granddaddy. She want to go hang out with granddad. I try to let my daughter see other than me, but I want her influence. I want her lifestyle to be how my lifestyle to be, and that's what we have to ask ourselves. Are we a role model to our kids? I want to be a role model to my daughter. I don't want my daughter to grow up and be like, I want to be like that person. I want to be like that person. I want her to say, I want to be like my daddy. My daddy grinds so hard. My daddy works so hard. My daddy loves me so much. My daddy always telling me I'm beautiful. She don't, you know what I'm saying? I want my daughter to be strong. I don't want her to be so strong that she want to be the head of the household. Y'all know I do believe in a man should be the head of the household, but I want to stay on topic. So I go so hard, man. And let's stay on topic, because y'all know, man, I get so passionate about this. I just keep going. But me calling the wrecker, just thinking it's that so simple. I got money. I can get this fixed. No, you know who showed up? A police officer showed up. I'm sitting here like, what the fuck is going on? Where's this dude coming from? Turns out, me calling the wrecker, I guess he heard it over the scanner or something. You know, or they saying something, when you call a wrecker that late at night, a police supposed to come or something. But what actually happened was somebody else seen me swerving on the road, because when I fell asleep, I woke up and then I jerked the wheel, I assume, and then I entered the ditch, totaled the car. And I guess somebody did go by, so I'm assuming they called for help. They call the police, let them know, because they probably think, hey, man, this dude just had an accident. Not knowing that this guy been sipping on some things. He been drinking them fruity drinks. And yeah, them fruity drinks will catch up to you. Do not think them little sweet drinks won't do nothing. They will. But once again, I assume I just was really tired and them fruity drinks helped out. Me thinking I need to reward myself with a couple drinks in the casino. I'm grinding so hard, but I'm about to give my money away. You know, that's basically what it was. I'm grinding so hard at life, yet I was headed to the casino. I lost more money in 6 months than I ever could imagine. In 6 months, I have spent $5,000. And you see this right here? Let me show you something. I have spent close to $5,000. And you see, I'm not showing y'all this to brag. I'm showing you the consequences. Hold on, check this out. All this. I already spent close to $5,000. You see this right here? Gone. This is not my money. This is money that I gotta give to court tomorrow to finish off my process. This money right here, I'm not even gonna say how much this is. You see this? These are the consequences for drinking and driving, for thinking you invisible, for thinking, oh, I got money, my problems is fixed. No, this is not my money. I gotta turn this money in. On top of that, I'm a single father. I have spent close to $5,000 on top of that. All this money right here is not mine no more. I had a place for me and my daughter. Nobody helped me with bills. I don't have nobody coming, yo, I'm gonna give you some money on your bills. No, I have to work 7 days a week to provide for myself because that's the lifestyle I want. I want the best out of life. And I would not let nobody stop me. So me getting that DUI didn't stop me. All it did was intensify me, push me to the limits. So what I'm saying to y'all, man, don't think just a simple mistake. I seen on Twitter somebody said, make all your mistakes while you're young. I understand what he's trying to say, but at the same time, you want to be careful of the mistakes you make because some can cost you your life. Some mistakes you can't go back. It hurt me more than none. I had to once I got that DUI, I never been to jail before. My first time going to jail was for something that I knew better. I knew, like, what the fuck was you thinking? I always have my drinks and go home. I don't have my drink, or I have somebody drive for me. I have 3 females. I let one of them come pick me up and we go. We have fun. I enjoy myself. I don't have to drive. I call them, they drive. But nah, I want to go out and have fun and just do because I feel like I deserve it. I've been working so hard. I'm grinding so hard. I deserve to go out. Just keep grinding. Grinding don't mean you stop today because you reached one peak. Grinding never stop. Because guess what? Life never stop until you 6 feet under. Never give up. That DUI could have wrecked me. It hurt me. A lot of money being spent that I could have used for something else. My daughter, I could have used it for me. I could have used it on my parents, these bills, my car note, my house. Everything I paid for myself. But yet, I just lost $5,000 plus this. This is not if you do the math, man. Well, I'm not going to, because it's not about that. It's not about, oh man, look at the money. Oh, he makes guys, I kid you not. I make a lot more money than I did previous. But guess what? I just lost $5,000 in 6 months. On top of that, I had to pay $50. Listen to this. I had to pay $50 a month for my PO. And I had to pay $50 a month to get the breathalyzer on my car recalibrated every month. You see what I'm talking about? Now on top of that, you know how crazy I felt, bro? My daughter seeing me blowing in this machine every time we get in the car. Because I can't crank my car without blowing in the machine. My daughter, she be like, and I had to lie to her. I had to tell her, Dad always be working out, man. They just to make sure, I keep my breath down, because Dad always be working out, checking my breath, That's what I had to tell her. Because I was so embarrassed, man. That simple mistake, man. The role model that I'm trying to be for my daughter, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all don't even understand all this shit crazy. I know what it's like to be at the bottom. You feel me? I'm all she had, bro. And I could have risked it all, man. I could have lost everything that night. Every day is a challenge, bro. And when I think about the decisions I make, I had to realize, like, my daughter don't have a mother. Her mother already passed. So, you just gonna forfeit? You know what I'm saying? I'm not a quitter. I'm a hustler. I'm a grinder. I wouldn't go so hard at life if I didn't want a better world for her and for kids around the world, because that's my dream. My dream is to help kids around the world. I can't do that if I'm blowing my money, wasting it on fucking DUI shit. I'm wasting money that can be so useful to kids out there. Y'all don't even understand some of the things that I got going on and work for us. How I want to give back to kids, travel from state to state. Me and my daughter doing videos for YouTube, giving back to kids. Just traveling, doing this stuff, set a trend, be a role model. I created that thing on Facebook, Black Image Reversal, because I want to show you that I could be more than a fuck up. What they say on TV, they don't show all the black successful people. They want to show the fucking ones that ain't doing nothing. They want to show the ones that don't care about life. They want to glorify the rappers and stuff and all this for doing drugs, for killing, for doing all this negative shit. Yeah, I did a lot of crazy shit coming up. I can't lie. I did some evil shit. But I somehow made it past that. Now I can say, whoa, you got a fresh start, man. What you gonna do? Your daughter needs you. But my life is bigger than my daughter. And I tell everybody that. And that's no disrespect to my daughter. But I have a dream of my own. And that's to help kids around the world. And I told my daughter, her job is to help me with my dream until she get old enough to create her own dream. Right now, she's 5. So guess what? She gonna help me with my videos. She gonna show other kids that, hey, this is what dad is showing me. Until my daughter get old enough to make her own decision, she helping with me with my dream. When she old enough to do her own thing, then now she create her own dream. But I'm going to make sure I give her an opportunity and show her and put a decision in front of her to say, baby, life ain't going to be sweet. My daughter work for everything she get from me. My daughter cannot get a new toy. She cannot get her favorite meal, her favorite snack, if she can't offer me something of use. And that can be spelling a new word for daddy. Telling me how your day was. You can't tell me how your day was. You don't deserve a prize. That's how I do it. I don't ask you to do it how I do. I just know that I wasn't challenged as a kid. I had my way. My dad spoiled me, and I tell him, man, I told my dad, and it hurt me to say it. I said, you fucked up. And it hurt me to say that. But he spoiled me. He gave me whatever I wanted. He didn't make me work for it. I said, I won't do that to my daughter. She got to earn it. Because it's not free out here. Nothing in this fucking world is free. If you believe that shit, you fucking need to wake up. You got to earn everything you want in life. And some of that shit you're going to have to push hard and hard and hard. It's going to be tough. It's going to hurt. When I go to the gym, man, that shit hurts so bad. But when I leave the gym and I go to every fucking store that I go to, and people just look at me like, what the fuck is he doing? When women look at me, they just look at me like I'm a piece of meat. They just be like, I want to fucking taste that nigga right there. When men look at me, they be like, man, that dude right there is inspiring. That dude right there, he got only 10% body fat. What is he doing? He 27 years old and he look like that. He 27 and he in shape. He in the gym. He always at work. He always with his daughter. If he not at work, he with his daughter. If he not with his daughter, he making YouTube videos for kids around the world. If he not doing that, he somewhere eating. If he not doing that, man, this dude is always doing something that benefits somebody else. When I go to the gym, it's not only benefit me, it benefit the kids that get to see me when I make them videos. So, back on topic. That DUI hurt me because I made a reckless decision thinking that I need to go party. I could have lost it all. You are in control of your life. It's all about what you want. Making this video, man, not to flex or anything. I'm making this simply for to show y'all. I want to share my life story. I have a life story. I love posting other people's life story, but I also have a life story. Every day is a challenge for me. Being a single father, black man raising a daughter. Oh my goodness, man. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. But I keep going. I just keep pushing. Yeah, I can have any. Y'all probably say, you got 3 girls. Why don't you just ask one of them to? can't. I say I want somebody to come help me with my daughter, man. But to be honest, I just don't think nobody can help her the way I can, man. That probably being selfish and holding her from a mother figure. I just don't feel like nobody can love her the way I love her. Or her mother did, man. You know what I'm saying? Her mother, she loved it, Morgan, you know what I'm saying? She did whatever she could for Morgan. She was a grounder too. But I didn't know that at the time because I was still young and, you know, immature, chasing females, you know. Not chasing, you know, I just had females. And I didn't realize what I had, you know. Now, I can't give a woman my heart because, you know, I don't have no desire for being in a long-term relationship because it just don't benefit me. I haven't met nobody that can love my daughter the way I can, man. I want my daughter to be able to see a woman and know how to be a queen, a lady. But I get there we'll get to that road when we get to it. I just keep pushing. With all these fucking things that I feel like, oh man, I don't give up though. One day, I'm gonna get tired of messing with girls and, you know, having rotations and having 3 girls. And I'm gonna just, you know, like I said, I wanna be able to give my daughter a mother figure. I just don't see nobody loving her the way I do. I don't see nobody caring the way I do about her. Man, Morgan's something special, man. She's something special, man. She's special. She's special, bro. If y'all could just see how she is, man, she's something special. She's something special about her. She gonna be great, man. And I'm gonna make sure that I put every opportunity. If I gotta work 7 days a week, if I gotta make sure I be hard on her. You can't spell this word, you can't get this toy. If I had to be hard on her. It don't mean to be easy because of your dad. Don't expect all this stuff because daddy got money or daddy doing good in life. I need you to grind, man. The same way I grind, that's the same way I expect my woman to grind, my daughter to grind. You think just because I'm your man or, you know, or I'm your daddy, things gonna be easy? No. I put in the work, I expect you to put in the work. I'm not gonna go work 80 hours a week just so you can have it all. No. You're gonna earn anything from daddy. Anything. One decision can cost you everything. Be careful about the decisions you make, man. So yeah, I got a DUI. Tomorrow, hopefully it's over. Hopefully it's over. But I respect having that DUI. I don't drink and drive no more. If I do have a sip, you know, I'm not gonna lie. If I do have a sip when I'm out to eat, I go home. I'm not out all night. I'm coming home, making a video, going to bed. Get up in the morning, repeat. Because I want to be successful so bad. I got so many kids around the world to help. I can't help them if I'm locked up or dead. If I'm broke, I can't help them. I don't give a fuck what you think. You can't help nobody if you can't help yourself. You can't be out here doing fucked up shit, thinking you can do something like pop. Bruh, make the best choices. Get around people that doing something. Stop hanging with niggas that not doing nothing. I don't understand how. It took me a long time to realize that shit too. No disrespect to my friends. I love them, man. They'll tell you right now, man, he don't even come around no more. I love them dudes, man. I was with them dudes since I was a little kid. They live 15 minutes away from me. I ain't seen them in 7 months. My friends that I grew up with live 15 minutes away from me. I ain't seen them in 7 months. I love them though. I miss them sometimes. I be wanting to go down there and see what they doing. If y'all see this video, man, I appreciate the fun we had in life, you know. But I'm on for better things, my nigga. I gotta get it, man. Ain't nobody gonna give it to me. Ain't nobody gonna give you nothing in this world, man. You gotta work. So that's why I don't come around, you feel me? It's not enough for me. I gotta be around people that want what I want. That's success. Success could be money for you. Success can be getting a new car, getting a new house. For me, success is helping kids around the world. You don't want to help kids around the world, then what am I hanging with you for? You don't want what I want. How I help kids around the world? I go to work every day. I make these videos about me working out to show you that you being fit, man. The rewards of being in shape, working out, having good health, eating right. You know, I don't eat the best, but I'm learning. You know, I don't know how to cook, but I'm learning. My daughter, man, she deserves a lot, but she got to work for it. It's not gonna be free for me because she's my daughter. So I just want y'all to know, man, there's consequences behind every action.
Just got off the phone with my daughter, told her I won't hesitate to fuck a young nigga up, Lord.